guys! Today I'm doing an unboxing video of my brand new iPad Air Generation 4 as well as the Apple Pencil Generation 2, which both arrived in the past couple of weeks. I had to watch a bunch of different YouTube videos and pictures online to try to figure out which color I wanted. So I just wanted to create my own little video so that you guys can see what the iPad Air looks like in the color sky blue. And I'm super excited to open this, so let's just dive right in. It has a bit more weight to it than I had anticipated. And it has a nice matte finish. It feels really nice to hold. It has one edge that's flat and the rest of the pencil is round. So it's just enough for a good grip. Okay, so this is the brand new iPad Air 4. Holy moly, it's such a cute little size. I was expecting it to pop out a little bit more in person, but I really like how subtle it is. This is the kind of color that really changes depending on what lighting you have, what the camera quality is, how true to life it really is. It's really beautiful. It's almost even lilac-y in color. It almost looks like it's just the dark gray or the aluminum, like light silver color. I swear this is the sky blue. It's very subtle. It's a little bit more noticeable in real life, I'd say, but just by a tad. Alright, so let's see if my Apple Pencil can work with my iPad right away, or whether or not I need to charge it first. This needs to charge. Oh, look, it's charging. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Continue. Try Scribble. Use Apple Pencil to handwrite in any text area to convert it into type. Give Scribble a try by handwriting some text into the box below. Try writing a few words here.